Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to make image background transparent in Word. To start, open your Word document. Now, in the Insert menu, click on Shapes and select Rectangle. After that, adjust the shape of the rectangle over the text. When you do, right-click on the shape and select the Format Shape option. In the side menu, display the line option and check the No Line box. After this, display fill and check the box, Picture or Texture Fill. Click on Insert and click from a file to select the desired image. Select Insert. To finish the process, in the Transparency line, use the slider bar to determine the transparency level for the image. Close the side menu to see the final result. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.